Hello everyone, it's Anett here today, sharing a fun winter layout using the Pinkfresh Studio Oh What Fun collection. On this layout I am focusing on the blue and the red colors of this collection. I took a simple white cardstock and I cut it smaller. My idea is to wrap around the paper some red yarn. This is embroidery floss, not too thick. I secured the floss on the back side with some washi tape. And I just wrapped around the floss and I arranged it that it looked good. I glue foam on the back side to give it some dimension. I use liquid adhesive as well because I don't trust this foam sheet so much. I printed my photo in a circle form. I love using circle photos. I think they are really decorative. I punch a hole and I use eyelets because I want to hang my photo and all the embellishments on the yarn. These are the Leah's Ornate upper and lowercase letters, and these are so awesome. I will build my title using them. They cut beautifully shaped letters and they also cut the outline of the letters. They are so great. I had this shiny blue cardstock in my stash and it is just like the shiny eyes on my photo. I don't use the color red so much in the other times of the year, but at Christmas time I enjoy the bright red so much, especially with white in pair, and like here with some bright blue. This is the frozen lake Balaton on the photo. Balaton is the biggest lake in Central Europe. This was back in January 2017, when it was really cold and it was frozen completely, so it was possible to walk or skate through from one side to the other. It was so wonderful ice skating on this beautiful lake. So I cut the letters and I use the outlines of them. I use the blue outlines and the red bold letters. I tie them up with a little bow, one by one. It took a while, so I cut out this part of my video. You see, I took all the red and the blue embellishments to decorate my layout with. My job is simply arranging them in a form. They look great and they give a nice balanced outlook, but also they are fun and interesting to look at. My embroidery floss is already tied, so I have to make some tricks to string anything on it. You see, I punched holes on both sides of this little label. Then I cut through to the hole with a sharp cut. And this way I can slide through the thread and no one will notice that it wasn't made before wrapping around the yarn. I glue some of the embellishments directly on the background, so not everything is hanging or tied on the yarn, but I don't think it matters. I think it is enough that some of them have the illusion of hanging there. I use foam adhesive to create my beloved dimension on the page. Sometimes when photographing the layout from above, you cannot see these beautiful dimensions. It is important to look at the detail shots that are made from an angle. Arranging these embellishments is creating balance. Sometimes it is not about the theme of the embellishments. So it doesn't matter if it is a flower or a red sock. It is just the color and the size that matters. I don't want to have too much red on this side or too much blue on that side. They should have variation in color and also in size. The bigger embellishments are closer to the photo, so it doesn't take the eye away from the most important thing, that is the photo on this particular layout. So your eye should find the photo easily, not lost between the big dominant embellishments. And it is also important to know when to stop. There are so many cute and beautiful embellishments I wanted to put on this layout, but I just had to make compromises and I had to put away some of them because it would have been too crowded at the end. So this is my final layout. I love the clean and crisp features of it. I love the alphabet dies and the red, blue, white colors on it. I hope you enjoyed my video. I tried to give some advice on building balance on layouts, and I hope it helps a bit. All used supplies you can find under the video. Click on the bell button if you don't want to miss my next video tutorial. Thank you for your love and support. See you next time. Bye bye.